Smart factories rely on data flowing from connected tools, unlocking process control and quality assurance, as well as production flexibility and optimization. Are current wireless technologies always performing to achieve your goals? Boost productivity and take control with our 5G connected tightening system. Secure operational reliability, seamless connectivity, and production uptime. Get the freedom to work flexibly with constant connection. Enjoy wall-to-wall coverage in every corner of your facility. Trust your process and keep data flowing over a reliable, low-latency, low-interference 5G network. It's the first plug-and-play solution for secure 5G connected tools. And the next step to smart factories. Ultra-reliable communication is here to propel your process control and quality assurance. Are you ready to reap the benefits?